for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 CX-5. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, wheel locks, braking assist, retractable cargo cover. Inside you'll find audio radio, touchscreen display, audio internet radio, AHA, Mazda Connect, satellite communications, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, child safety locks, cargo area light, cargo mat. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.